Hadi Choopan, known worldwide as the Persian Wolf, remains one of the most dominant figures in bodybuilding heading into the 2025 Mr. Olympia. Born in Iran in 1987, Choopan has built a legacy of power, discipline, and remarkable conditioning that has placed him consistently at the top of the sport. His journey has been defined by resilience, and his presence on the Olympia stage has always carried the intensity of a champion. In Davidsonde, after winning the Mr. Olympia crown in 2022, he became the first Iranian bodybuilder to hold the title, a moment that not only elevated his career, but also made him a source of pride for his country. Following his victory in 2022, Zefiros Choopan continued to compete with unmatched drive. In 2023, he narrowly lost his title to Derek Lunsford, placing second in a highly competitive battle. In 2024, he once again fought for the top position, but finished as runner-up to Samson Dauda. Despite these near misses, Zefiros Choopan's reputation as one of the most dangerous and consistent competitors in the IFBB Pro League has only grown stronger. His victories at the 2024 Arnold Classic USA and Arnold Classic UK proved his dominance outside of Olympia and cemented his standing as one of the top 3 bodybuilders in the world. For 2025, Choopan's preparation has been more intense than ever. His training updates show him maintaining razor-sharp conditioning while focusing heavily on bringing up his legs and posterior chain. Heavy squats, leg presses, extensions, and hamstring work dominate his routine, giving him the balanced look needed to match or surpass the symmetry of rivals like Dauda and Lunsford. Choopan has also been pushing big weights in deadlifts and other compound movements, adding density and fullness to his frame without sacrificing detail. His ability to stay lean deep into his prep has been a hallmark of his career, and in 2025, he looks determined to peak at the right moment. Mentally, Choopan appears more driven than ever. After the disappointments of 2023 and 2024, where he felt judging decisions did not fully reflect his efforts, he has made it clear that his goal is to reclaim the Sandow Trophy. His confidence, combined with the hunger of a former champion eager to prove himself again, makes him a dangerous contender. Fans and analysts alike view him as one of the few athletes who can realistically dethrone Dauda, especially if he nails his peak and displays the shredded, grainy conditioning that once earned him the Olympia crown.